Hi everyone, this is part 2 of solving exponential equations, and just looking at the ones I'm going to do, these are actually a little easier than part 1. So if you're looking for harder ones, you might want to look at part 1. The first one we're going to do is 3 to the 2x plus 5 equals 27 to the x power. My bases have to be the same, so I know that 27 is 3 cubed. So I'm going to keep my bases here the same. It's 3 cubed, and you multiply it by the x. And then all we have to do is solve for the exponential part, and you get 2x plus 5 equals 3x. I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 2x from both sides, so I get 5 equals x. And you can go ahead and plug it in and check. I already did that a little bit in part 1. So if you plug it in, you're going to get 3 to the 15th equals 3 to the 15th. And that's how you would check it. Just plug it in. All right. We're going to go a little faster on this one. So we have 2 to the 2x plus 3 equals 32. Again, my bases aren't the same, so I'm going to change my 32 to 2 to the 5th. You always go small on your bases. So you have 2x plus 3 equals 5. So 2x equals 2. I'm subtracting 3 from both sides. So x equals 1. All right? So basically you're going to get 2 to the 5th equals 32 if you plug in the 1 in here. If you check it. All right. The next one, we have 4 to the 3x minus 2 equals 16. In this case, I'm going to change both bases to 2. 4 is 2 squared, and then you multiply it by whatever's in your exponent, and we know that 16 is 2 to the 4th. Since my bases are the same, all I have to do is solve. So distribute here, you get 6x plus 4 equals 4. And you subtract if doing this, what I did here, I was going to get, if you subtract it 4, you get 0, but what I did here is, some of y'all might have noticed, this should have been a subtraction. So this should be minus. Sorry about that. So if you add 4 to both sides, you get 6x equals 8, because you're adding 4 to both sides. So x equals 8 over 6, which if you reduce that, that's 4 over 3. So x is 4 over 3. And another one, we have 27 to the x equals 3 to the 2x plus 3. My base is going to be 3, so that's 3 cubed times whatever's up there. 3 to the 2x plus 3. Now my bases are the same, so I can solve for x. Subtract the 2x, you get x equals 3. And I just have 2 more, I believe. Basically, this one's pretty easy. 7 to the 6x equals 7 to the 2x minus 20. My bases are the same. So I have 4x equals negative 20. So x equals negative 5. We're going to go ahead and check this. We have 7 to the negative 30 equals 7 to the negative 30. Okay, and the last one is going to be 16 to the 4n minus 1 equals 128 to the 2n minus 1. I'm going to change my base to 2. Um, 2 to the 4th is 16, and 2 to the 7th is 128. Make sure you know your 2 powers. You get 16n minus 4 equals 14n minus 7. I'm going to subtract the 4n from both sides. 14n, sorry about that. And I'm going to add 4 to both sides. You're going to get 2n equals negative 3. So n would be negative 3 halves. Okay? And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. The next set we're going to do is solving exponential inequalities. Take care. Bye-bye.